Hey everybody, greetings. The work does not stop. I'm here on the farm. Let me show you what I'm doing. I got a Zoom tonight, so we're going to be talking here shortly. We do the Zoom every other Thursday for There Are People Ministries, for country living, sustainability, preparation, all those fun things. But what I'm doing right now is I'm taking an old chicken coop here. I'm going to show you, converting it because it's all fenced in real nice. I'm putting weed barrier down on the ground, and I'm converting it to a play yard for the kids because we're out on, this is 8 acres with 2,000 acres of forestry hooked to it back there. And it got a lot of wildlife here, but I got an awesome chicken coop that came with it. And then that's a barn. The other side of this wall is a barn that person had horses and all that for hay, and I'm converting that. But the old chicken run is right here. I just let that up. It hooks up there, and the chickens were able to run up here and go into a little chute right there. But now that's my storage shed, and eventually this is going to be my dog house. It's going to be a nice yard for our dogs to keep us warm. I don't have to build it. That gate, there's a gate there that slides on that rail right there, like the old warehouse doors do, and I like that. But I'm converting this. I'm putting weed barrier down so that I can put my kids in here with their toys. And it's got a really nice high 5-foot fence here. That's really nice. And I'm doing all of that so that I keep the kids safe while I'm out here working, and sometimes they can be right in here and secure, and this door just rolls right on close. Roll that for you, and it locks that up. So it's a really nice size chicken coop. That's what it was meant to be. But I'm turning that into a yard. So just things you can do on your country property. Again, somebody built this fence up really nice. Had a chicken run, but my chickens we don't eat anymore, so we don't eat chickens. So this is going to be an awesome play area when I'm done, just temporarily. And so I'm putting weed barrier down to keep them off the ground, and we can secure the kids while we're out cutting grass or doing things in the yard if they just wanted to run around and play. Because there are holes, there's giant rocks, as you see some of the rocks on the trees, all kinds of things. So things that you can do for safety, and for us, that's a sense of safety for us. Because believe it or not, it's unexplored. There's still a lot of unexplored areas, a lot of holes and crevices and deep areas. You know, I see an area I want to put a pond in, those kinds of things. But we have to make sure that our children are safe. On lots of wood that was cut down previously. So just doing some things just a little different. But one of the things I thought I'd show you is taking this little play area if you want your kids to be a little safer. And then we're just going to go ahead and put weed barrier down like you would as if you're going to plant some plants here. But it keeps them off the ground. The kids like to put toys in their mouth and put hands in their mouth, all that kind of fun stuff. So it gives us a sense of security knowing they got a little area to play in that we can sit back and read or manage and prayer, all those kinds of things. And know everything's all right. Thought I'd throw that to you. I still got my tie on from the one we did today on grants. Don't forget to check on episode 3. We did today from $200,000 to $1 million on grants. And then episode 1 and 2 are already online. So just come to you from There Are People Ministries. We got a Zoom tonight. We're going to be talking about preparation and sustainability, resources. Also coming up, we're going to have a family day. Everybody, every race, creed, culture, everybody, family day to just show all kinds of resources that's available around the world for families. And then brothers to brothers as we unite with our brothers to encourage young men with their needs and their situations. So we got a lot coming up, but that's my chicken coop playpen, right? Playpen. Keep the kids nice, safe, and secure. Weed barrier works every time. God bless everybody. Talk to you later.